What's up, everybody? Today we are going to learn how to do X back drop. I am not liable for any injuries or deaths and always train with a coach. And share this to a friend who likes to do aerial silks. I am not liable for any injuries or deaths and always train with a coach. Just remember that. I always have a great crash mat. So you're going to need to learn how to do climbing, and I recommend you learn how to do X back. We are going to go 2 climbs up, wrap around with 3 egg beaters. It's sometimes a little hard to do when you're first learning how to do them, but at least 3 egg beaters on each leg. Then we're going to come through the silks, X this behind our back, pull ourselves through, and go into a straddle, like this. Now if you want, you can spin it a little. Subscribe to my channel for more aerial content. Now, make sure you're done spinning before you drop. And you need a lot of core strength to balance right here. But let's pose, and then we are going to stick our hands through here. We grab the tails, and when we're ready, we are going to drop it and straddle. Make sure we straddle so we don't go through the silks. And then we're in creature or scorpion. You can see why it's called scorpion because of this. And then you can pose. If you're a little higher, you can spin it. Once you're ready, you can let go. And just make sure you're careful. And then you can come up, untangle these. There we go. And let's try that again. You can learn how to climb and how to do a egg beater and X back on my channel. Okay, let's show that drop once more. So yeah, 2 climbs. Then we are going to egg beaters. 3 egg beaters on each leg. We're gonna come through, X this behind our back. We can pause here, and then when we're ready, go into a straddle. Let's make sure these don't fall off. And like this. Yeah, once again, you can put a spin on it. Make sure you're not spinning that fast when you drop. Then, we're gonna be careful here. We're gonna grab our hands through, grab the tails, and straddle. If we don't straddle, we'll go through, which we don't want to go through the silks. Then we can pose this however you want. When we're ready, grab up here, untwist, and come down. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!